हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे आप सब। मैं हूँ एकलव्य। बात करें ओपीएससी असिस्टेंट सेक्शन ऑफिसर 2026 जनरल अवेयरनेस प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट 29। यहाँ आपको 20 क्वेश्चन देखने को मिलेगा। आज पर प्रीवियस पैटर्न डिफिकल्टी लेवल मॉडरेट है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इन मार्च 2026 द ओडिशा सेमीकॉन पॉलिसी 2026 was approved. Which city is designated to host the state's first Silicon Village for chip design startup? ऑप्शन ए राउरकेला, ऑप्शन बी भुवनेश्वर, ऑप्शन सी बालेश्वर, ऑप्शन डी बरहमपुर। ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, भुवनेश्वर। चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which Indian naval ship INS was decommissioned in January 2026 after 35 years of service, having played a key role in Operation Talwar and Operation Cactus? ऑप्शन ए INS विक्रमादित्य, ऑप्शन बी INS राजपूत, ऑप्शन सी INS किरपान, ऑप्शन डी INS गोमती। ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, INS गोमती। चलिए नेक्स्ट। The State of India's Environment Report 2026 highlighted a 15% increase in the population of Irrawaddy dolphins in which water body? ऑप्शन ए चिल्का लेक, ऑप्शन बी भीतरकनिका मैंग्रोव्स, ऑप्शन सी सातकोजिया गॉर्ज, ऑप्शन डी गहीर मठ मेराइन सेंचुरी। ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर, चिलिका लेक। चलिए नेक्स्ट। Under the mission Purvodaya 2.0 launched in late 2025, which Odisha port is being developed as a green hydrogen export hub? ऑप्शन ए पारादीप, ऑप्शन बी गोपालपुर, ऑप्शन सी धामरा, ऑप्शन डी अस्तरंगा। ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, गोपालपुर। चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which constitutional article was invoked by the President in early 2026 to seek the Supreme Court's advisory opinion on the interstate river water disputes? ऑप्शन ए आर्टिकल 131, ऑप्शन बी आर्टिकल 143, ऑप्शन सी आर्टिकल 262, ऑप्शन डी आर्टिकल 280। ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर आर्टिकल 143. चलिए नेक्स्ट. सत्यवादी बाकुल वन स्कूल which celebrated its 117th anniversary in 2026 was founded by which iconic leader of Odisha? सत्यवादी वन विद्यालय. ऑप्शन ए मधुसूदन दास, ऑप्शन बी गोपबंधु दास, ऑप्शन सी फकीरमोहन सेनापति, ऑप्शन डी बिजू पट्टनायक. ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर गोपबंधु दास. फाउंडेड विथ 1909 में. ठीक है, फाउंडेशन डेट. चलिए नेक्स्ट. In February 2026, India's first digital rupee offline mode was launched. This feature is primarily intended for option A large corporate transactions, option B areas with low internet connectivity, option C international remittances only, option D tax payments exceeding 1 crore. Option B is the correct answer. Areas with low internet connectivity. चलिए नेक्स्ट. Project Jorabar, which saw its first prototype trials in the Ladakh sector in December 2025, involves the development of option A high altitude mountain radars, option B light tanks for the Indian Army, option C all terrain infantry boats, option D specialized sniper rifles. Option B is the correct answer. Light tanks for the Indian Army. Project Jorabar. चलिए नेक्स्ट. The Gini coefficient was mentioned in the 2026 economic survey. What does this coefficient measure? Option A rate of inflation, Option B, income inequality. Option C, unemployment among youth. Option D, agricultural productivity. Gini coefficient. Option B is the correct answer. Income inequality. चलिए नेक्स्ट. Which specific region of Odisha is known as Granary of Odisha? Option A, Bargarh district. Option B, Balesar coastal plain. Option C, Ganjam district. Option D, Koraput valley. Option B is the correct answer. Balesar coastal plain. चलिए नेक्स्ट. In early 2026, the National Green Tribunal (NGT) imposed a stay on mining activities in the Niamgiri Hills to protect the habitat of which tribe? Option A, Santhals. Option B, Dongria Kandh. Option C, Bonda. Option D, Juang. Option B is the correct answer. Dongria Kandh. चलिए नेक्स्ट. The Aditya L1 mission, which reached its destination in 2024, provided a breakthrough report in February 2024 regarding which solar phenomenon? Option A, solar neutrino oscillations. Option B, coronal mass ejections tracking. Option C, sunspot cooling cycle. Option D, Mercury's transit duration. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. कोरोनल मास इजेक्शन CME ट्रैकिंग. ठीक है, ऑप्शन बी. चलिए नेक्स्ट. Who among the following was the first president of the Utkal Union Conference, Utkal Sammilani, held in 1903? Option A, Madhusudan Das. Option B, Maharaja Sri Ramchandra Bhansdev. Option C, Krishna Chandra Gajapati. Option D, Harihar Maharaj. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, महाराज श्री रामचंद्र भंजदेव। चलिए नेक्स्ट। The NISAR satellite, a joint mission between ISRO and NASA, is scheduled for a major data sharing update in April 2026. What is its primary sensor type? Option A, hyperspectral imager. Option B, dual frequency synthetic aperture radar SAR. Option C, thermal infrared radiometer. Option D, laser altimeter. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, डुअल फ्रीक्वेंसी सिंथेटिक अपर्चर राडार। ठीक है, ऑप्शन बी। चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which section of the public administration and governance reforms in 2026 introduced the concept of lateral entry 2.0? Option A, recruitment of NGOs into police. Option B, hiring private sector experts at joint secretary levels. Option C, induction of army officers into the judiciary. Option D, reservation for NRIs in civil services. Option B is the correct answer, hiring private sector experts at joint secretary level. चलिए नेक्स्ट। The Angsupa Lake, Odisha's largest freshwater oxbow lake, was in the news in 2025. For which reason? Option A, it completely dried off. Option B, it was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Option C, it received funding for an integrated ecotourism master plan. Option D, a new species of prehistoric crocodile was found there. Option C is the correct answer, it received funding for an integrated ecotourism master plan. चलिए नेक्स्ट। Exercise Desert Night 2026 involved the air forces of India and which other two nations over the Arabian Sea? Option A, France and UAE. ऑप्शन बी यूएसए एंड जापान, ऑप्शन सी रूसिया एंड ईरान, ऑप्शन डी यूके एंड ओमान। ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर, फ्रांस एंड यूएई। चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which of the following is a direct tax that saw a significant restructuring in the 2026 union budget? Option A GST, option B capital gains tax, option C custom duty, option D central excise duty। Option B is the correct answer, capital gains tax। चलिए नेक्स्ट। The Kandhamal Haldi turmeric of Odisha is globally recognized for its chemical property. Which chemical property? Option A high curcumin content, option B high caffeine content, option C low acidity, option D presence of gold particles। Option A is the correct answer, high curcumin content। चलिए नेक्स्ट। In April 2026, the Global Biofuels Alliance (GBA) announced a new target for ethanol blending in petrol. What is India's current target for 2025-26? Option A 10%, option B 20%, option C 25%, option D 50%। Option B is the correct answer, 20% India's target, current target for 2025-26। थैंक यू, आज के लिए इतना ही। और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए आपको यहाँ जाना पड़ेगा, जाइए यूट्यूब चैनल और प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। अगर अच्छा लगता है लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। रखते हैं, धन्यवाद।